Hi Ankit, this is Nitin. We'll be taking a short interview. We are doing a small research for a company. Um, as you told, we have worked in Bangalore and all. So we'll just start your interview and we'll take this 15 minutes. Hope you have time for this.
Sure.
Okay, so can you tell us about your background?
Yeah, so I actually graduated from NIT Calicut and then I moved on to Bangalore
Okay.
to join a product development company called Trilogy out there.
Okay.
And I worked for 4 years there and right now I'm here in Lucknow.
Okay. So what was your work in Bangalore?
As I said, I worked in a product development company, so it was mainly a software work related to software development.
Okay.
And then we primarily had US-based clients, etc. That's the work environment that I worked with.
Okay.
Given that it was a product-based company, product development company, the environment as such was relatively very cool and all. I mean, compared to say a services company that's based out of India, my company was really very relaxed.
Okay.
It was 5 days a week, and then for all official purposes. But then there have been times when on the 5th day, say around afternoon and all, we just break up and go out for a drink and all. So a very cool and calm place.
So was it a stressful place also?
Stressful, yes, to the extent of the number of hours that we used to work. So typically my day would end up anywhere between 12 to 15 hours. But for that, I think we definitely had product delivery dates and all this. Apart from that, there wasn't much stress. And as I said, because of the kind of environment that existed in that place, even the long working hours did not make it a real stressful place as such.
Okay. How was the competition? Can you come closer to it?
Competition, yeah, I mean competition was high. Given that I was probably the only one. I'm not the only one, but then there were very few guys who were from colleges like NIT. Most of the Janta used to come from IITs, etc.
Okay.
So that way the competition was high, but it was a pretty friendly place. So that's not something that worried people as such.
Okay. So what does competition mean to you?
Okay, competition for me means something that keeps you on your toes, that keeps you alive, that keeps you kicking, that motivates you to pursue what you want to do.
Okay.
And I think that is what introduces thrill into what you're doing.
So tell me one word which comes to your mind when you hear the word competition.
Be on your toes.
Be on your toes all the time?
All the time.
Even if it means like, you're losing your sleep?
Yeah, I mean, point being that, obviously you need to have that classification between where your work life ends and where your personal life starts. But then, as far as your work life is concerned, I think irrespective of whatever it takes, at least I as a person believe in that you should do whatever it takes to get where you want to go. And even if if it's competition that's taking away your sleep, then so be it. I mean that's something that you got to handle.
Okay.
And I think as far as losing sleep is concerned, I would say I've handled it pretty well. As in, that is not something, despite of a 15-hour day, that's gotten onto me and I've lost sleep. So
Okay.
yeah, but you should be on your toes. Yeah.
Okay. So how do you manage a very stressful environment around you?
Management. See, first of all, being in a friendly environment, I think helped quite a bit.
Okay.
And then, as I said, it was a 5-day-a-week kind of a company. So on weekends and all, I used to hang around with my friends, meet my college mates and all.
You ever tried meditation or play sports or something?
Not really. That's not something I've tried so far.
Okay.
But yeah, maybe sports is something I need to try, given that I've been putting on weight for like
We can
2-3
see that
years
right
now.
Yeah.
But yeah, haven't tried that therapy yet.
Okay. So
Okay, so Nitin, if you don't mind, can we take the rest of the questions inside? We'll probably move on.
yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Okay.
So we'll take the rest of the
We'll
minutes.
just take it.
हो गया हो गया सारा हो गया बंद कर दे भाई
Where is Nitin? Is Nitin coming along?
Yeah, he's
Hey, just
coming.
call him. Why don't you go and call him?
Okay.
I'll just join you guys.
Yeah.
there.